In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Outlook email for the web. By the end, you'll have a cleaner inbox, a place for everything, and a few automations doing the daily work for you. Start by opening Outlook on the web and signing in. You'll see your inbox in the middle and the navigation pane on the left. That left side is your command center, and we'll use it to create structure that sticks. First, create a home for your messages. In the left pane, right-click Folders and choose Create New Folder. Give it a clear, memorable name. Think projects, finance, or travel. You can make as many as you need, and you can drag messages into them anytime. Short, specific names make filing faster and keep the list readable. Next, let Outlook do the filing for you. Right-click an email from a sender you get often, choose Rules, then Create Rule. Decide what should happen automatically when new mail arrives from that sender. Move it into a folder, flag it for attention, or delete it if it's routine noise you don't need. Rules run the moment messages land, which keeps your inbox focused without you lifting a finger. Now turn on Focused Inbox so the important stuff rises to the top. Open Settings, search for Focused Inbox, and switch it on. Outlook will split your mail into Focused and Other. If something shows up in the wrong place, move it to Teach Outlook your preferences. Over time, the sorting becomes impressively accurate. For quick cleanups, use Sweep on the top toolbar. Select a message from a sender you want to tidy up, click Sweep, then choose whether to delete, move, or archive older messages from that sender in bulk. It's perfect for clearing promo emails while keeping the newest one. Color can be a powerful cue. Right-click any message, select Categorize, and pick a color. Use one color per theme, like red for urgent, green for receipts, or blue for clients. Categories make it easy to scan and group related items at a glance. When something needs action, hover over the email and click the flag icon. Flagged items stand out in your list and are easy to filter later so you can work through follow-ups in one pass. Finally, keep your inbox lean with Archive. Select a message and click Archive. It disappears from the inbox but isn't deleted. You can still find it in the archive folder or with search. Think of it as putting papers in a cabinet instead of on your desk. That's it. Folders for structure, rules for automation, focused inbox for clarity, sweep for fast cleanup, categories and flags for priorities, and archive for a tidy inbox. Apply these today, and your email will feel lighter and far more manageable.